The African Grey Parrot, scientifically known as Psittacus erithacus, is one of the most intelligent and renowned parrot species, known for its exceptional talking and mimicry abilities. They are medium-sized birds with a distinctive gray plumage. They have bright red tail feathers, white masks around their eyes, and a bright red patch on the upper part of their beaks. These parrots are native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa, primarily in countries like Ivory Coast, Ghana, Cameroon, and the Congo Basin. African grey parrots are known for their high intelligence and problem-solving skills. They have large brains relative to their body size. They can learn an extensive vocabulary and can even understand the context in which words are used. African grey parrots are social birds and often form strong bonds with their human owners. In the wild, they live in flocks and have complex social structures. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, nuts, seeds, and vegetables in the wild. In captivity, they require a balanced diet that includes a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, and high-quality parrot pellets. African grey parrots can live for several decades, often reaching 50 to 60 years or more in captivity. African grey parrots are listed on the CITES, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, Appendix I due to concerns about their declining wild populations. They are threatened by habitat loss, the pet trade, and poaching. African grey parrots are popular as pets, but they require a significant amount of care, attention, and mental stimulation. Potential owners should be prepared for a long-term commitment when bringing one into their homes. African grey parrots are known for their incredible vocal mimicry. They can imitate a wide range of sounds, from human speech and laughter to household noises. When keeping an African grey as a pet, it's important to provide them with a stimulating environment and regular interaction to prevent boredom and related behavioral issues.